Hola, hola. I'm Daniel, and welcome back to Spanish 35 and to our latest episode in our new series, Spanish for Complete Beginners. Today, we're going to be talking about a very useful word in the Spanish language. I. Have you ever heard it before? Well, if you are a beginner, this word may be just what you need to boost up your skills. So, what does I mean? It can be translated to either there is or there are. No need to worry whether you're talking about one thing or many, because I works for both singular and plural. So if you want to say there's a dog, you can say hay un perro. But if there are many dogs, you can say hay muchos perros. One word, no matter the quantity. Cool, huh? You can also use I to make questions or for negative sentences. For example, if you want to ask, is there a supermarket nearby? You can say, ¿hay un supermercado cerca? Super handy for when you're traveling, don't you think? And if you want to say something isn't there, just add no. No hay. For example, no hay un supermercado cerca. Now that we covered the basics, let's see some other uses of I that are very common in the Spanish language. Number one, talking about the weather. You can use I to describe weather conditions, like hay sol. It's sunny. Hay viento. It's windy. Number two, talking about availability. Imagine yourself in a restaurant and you want to know if there are any tables available. You can ask, ¿hay mesas disponibles? Or maybe you want to know what's on the menu. You can ask, ¿hay sopa? Do you have any soup? And number three, to tell whether something exists or not. Let's say you're in a city and you're looking for something specific, like a pharmacy. You may ask, ¿hay una farmacia cerca? And if there isn't any, you can say, no hay ninguna. It's time for practice. See if you can use I correctly in the following sentences. Ready? There's a party tonight. There are 5 cars in the garage. Is there any coffee? There's no electricity. Alright, now pause the video and give it a try. We'll check the answers together in a moment. Hay una fiesta esta noche. Hay 5 carros en la cochera. ¿Hay café? No hay electricidad. How was it? I bet you nailed it. That's it, folks. I may be a short word, but it's a powerful one. And now, you know how to use it correctly. You can describe what's around you with it, make questions, and even mention if something is missing. Before we wrap up, if you wish to improve your Spanish skills a little bit further, visit us at Spanish55.com for personal lessons online. That's all for today, my friends. Hasta la próxima.